Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Sparkwala. In this video I'm going to demonstrate you how we can install PostgreSQL in our system. So go to any browser and type PostgreSQL download. After this go to first website postgresql.org downloads, and from here you can select whatever operating system suits you. I have Windows operating system, so I'm going to select Windows. It will take you to this page. Here click on the download the installer, and one thing I want to tell you that this is all the versions PostgreSQL is been giving us. So this is the 15th version, is I think the newest version. So click download the installer. It will take you to this page. So yeah, 15.2 is the most recent version. So as per your need, select your operating systems, and as I will click here, it will the file will start to download. As I have already downloaded the file, I'm not going to click on it. So as you will click on it, your file will start to download, and you can go to your download sections, and here see I have already downloaded it. Click here and it will start to install. Click yes, then it will take some time and it will start to open. Yeah, so you can see this pop-up has arrived. Click on next, and this is the installation directory in C drive. In program files, it will be created a folder named PostgreSQL, and there are 15 kind of folder, and all these components will be downloaded. If you do not want to download all the component, you can uncheck it. Okay, so click on next. This is data directory. All your data will be residing here in this directory. Click on next. Yeah, now every time you log into PostgreSQL, you have to type a password for this. Okay, so type a good password for it. And now click on next, and see this is the port. While you have to connect to ports, so you have to know about this. This is the default number of port 5432. Click on next, and again click on next, again click on next, and now again click on next. So it will start to install. It will take some time and it will be installed. So it's been installed. Now you can click on finish, but here you can this you have to know about this. Stack builder may be used to download and install additional tools. You can check or uncheck here, but if you want, you also can uncheck this. I'm going to finish it. See, this is the stack builder wizard. Right now it is not necessary, so I can click on cancel. And now as you will search here pgadmin 4, it will open right now here. So this is the startup interface for PostgreSQL. So this is how you can install PostgreSQL in your machine. So if you like this video, please like this video and subscribe my channel for getting more updates about PostgreSQL. So I'm now going to start a series for learning PostgreSQL. Okay, so if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.